welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it is morning time around 9 and we are going to explore the property first and then we'll get ready for the day. We'll get some good pictures here. View is very beautiful and I am loving the time right now. So this is the pretty view from our room and the property is very beautiful. प्रॉपर्टी में ऐसे ही सुंदर सुंदर फ्लावर है। व्यू है यार, क्या नज़ारा है। खेत हैं, चाय के खेत हैं।
चाय की दुकान। एक में चटनी निकाल ले, एक काम कर।
Guys, so we are all set to go today and we were doing some photo shoot and now we are going to check out from this hotel and going to visit all the points in Ooty. We are going to visit tea factory. This is on good height, so you can see the whole Ooty from here. We got this band to visit the factory. So this is the tea factory.
The process of tea manufacture consists of several stages. The first stage is village, which is the Ooty, which involves various.
So here you can see the tea leaf, the fresh tea leaf. Let me show you the manufacturing of tea.
क्या ये होगा क्या? ऊपर आएगा कि तो पहले वो वाला पहले आपको एक दिन के पहले तो लीव्स आपको ड्राई करना डालेगा, वो मॉइस्चर निकालेगा, निकालने के
Nice. So this is chocolate factory. of me. So if you want to do some adventure like zip line or something, so you can go there. Hi Gandhi ji.
ये समझ नहीं आती.
भुट्टा का मिक्स है.
This is botanical garden. This place is very pretty, guys. Like heaven. So guys, we are in Rose Garden. Actually, I was expecting a much better place because I have heard that you will see lots of roses here, but due to season, like, you won't see much roses and they are not in good condition as well. But still, it's good place to visit. यहाँ पे रोज गार्डन के साइड में मील बच्चे
ये देख.
is banned in Ooty. So if you are in Ooty, you need to buy this 5-liter can for water bottle, or else you just need to arrange water by yourself.